So, meron tayong bagong daily combo. Okay, nakuha natin tong license India. So, yung pangalawa sa pangatlo, hanapin natin. So, yung pangalawang daily combo is Coindesk. Hanapin natin yung Coindesk. Dito sa PR team. Ayun, Coindesk to. So, ito yung pangalawa na daily combo sa hamster. Check natin kung ayun, second card assembled. So, isa na lang. Yung pangatlo is license India. Bumalik. Log out. So, open natin ulit natin. So, yung ating rank is legendary. Okay. So, check natin yung ating hamster. Ayan. So, meron tayong Coindesk sa license India. So, yung pangatlo is hamster tube. So, sa PR team, ayan, hamster tube. Click natin. Ayan, congratulations. So, the combo is complete. You're doing great. So, take the prize. So, meron tayong 5 million additional coins. Ayun, dagdagan na naman. Okay. So, that's it. Yan yung daily combo natin. Hamster tube, Coindesk, and license India. Ayan. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Jonathan Bit TV, para ma-update ka sa next video. Okay? Then, share mo tong video para ma-update yung mga members natin. Okay? Congratulations. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.